Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you yet another function block of the UTS library, which is the limit alarm. So first let's add a new network, then drag a new box, and let's name this box limit alarm. There we go. Now, the limit alarm does the following. You have an input variable right here, which is gonna control the level that the function block is gonna measure. And here in the high and low inputs, you're gonna set limits for your level. And depending whether your level is under the low limit or the high limit or is in between, the function block will enable each one of these Boolean outputs. I'm gonna demonstrate it in a bit, but first let's assign our variables and constants. So here, let's say limit alarm input, or let's be more creative. Let's put water level. Okay, let's say the highest level is 80 and the lowest is 20. And now for these outputs here, I'll leave it as blank. Now let's test it. Put the controller in run mode. Okay, so as you can see, because my input is 0 and it's below the lowest value, the function block is gonna output the U output, which stands for under. So it's under our range, right? And if I assign a value that is higher than the highest level possible, so let's say 85, then the function block will enable the over output, so it's over our range. And if I assign a value that is between 80 and 20, which is in our range, then it's going to enable the in-level output. And that is how you use the limit alarm function block in Master Tool. And I see you on the next video.